Success! Successful photo shot! Good girl! Good girl! That's girl good! Good girl! Hi guys! Good morning guys! So, aga namin nagising ngayon guys. Maaga si Laila guys. So, umulan ngayon. Ayan. Aalis kami ngayon guys kasi mayroong photoshoot si Laila guys. So, magkakaroon siya ng photoshoot and then magluto muna ako guys ng pagkain niya. So, right Laila, say good morning to everyone. And then, ngayon guys, masama rin yung panahon ngayon. Umulan siya kagabi pa. So, yun guys, magluto muna tayo guys ng food para kay Laila. So, mayroon akong na-blend kanina guys. Ito siya guys, tatapusin ko kasi magdadala rin ako ng babaunin niya. So, mayroon pa akong lutuin. So, si Laila kasi kanina guys, nagpadidi muna ako sa kanya. So, akala ko matulog siya guys, pero hindi. So, yan. Hinitin ko lang din yung kanyang pagkain and then breakfast siya and then maligo na ako and then liguan ko muna si Laila guys. So, first muna si Laila maligo and then yan, hintayin ko yung partner ko at maligo siya. So, aalis na kami guys. Maga kami alis kasi medyo malayo-layo siya. So, mag-travel tayo guys ng maaga. So, yun guys, pakainin natin si Laila. Prepare ko lang yung kanyang pagkain. And then, yan. Alis na kami. Umuulan siya guys. Buti ngayon, tumigil na. Kanina umuulan siya kaninang umaga. So, hindi pa ako nakaligo guys. Marami pa akong gagawin. Hugasan, di matapos-tapos. Ayan. It's 18 now, guys. Ito yung ginawa ko, guys. Ayan siya. So, mamaya yung fruits. Hindi ko siya sinasabay kasi sinusubo niya lahat. Kahit ito, guys, sinusubo niya lahat. Niliguan ko siya pagkatapos.
Yeah.
Alis na kami guys. Nandito si Laila guys. So, simple lang yung mga suot namin kasi simple lang yung gusto guys. So, naka-black ako. So, black or white ang sa parents ko. Sakali maghahawak sila. Si Laila. Plain din yung sa kanya. Bawal yung may friend. So, let's go guys. Hello Laila. Daddy is here. Aww. What? Traveling, going to Laila for the shoot. The bikes. Daddy is here. Supportive daddy. She's still awake, guys, but she's sleeping. What about your photo shoot, Layla? She doesn't care. This one? This tower? Ah! Oh my! We are here, guys! Gladstone? Gladstone is not in the city. Yeah, let's studio. Look at that. Power Studios. Oh, Layla! I can't believe it. Nandito na si Layla, guys. Nandito na po kami. Nandito yung partner ko. Nandito na kami, guys. We are here. Are you ready, Layla? Layla, photo shoot. Just music playing. Come on, let's go out now. Maybe that.
Come on, stop.
Here.
Come on.
Yeah. Oh, there's water. Layla, have water. Oh.
Stop filming.
Layla, bubble gum cast. That number. It's okay, and she's looking.
What's she doing? Hello. Where's Mom? What are you doing, Chicky? You can't drink it. What's in there? It's okay. It's okay.
Layla! Don't cry, baby. Don't cry. It's done. Photo shoot. I think that side, huh? This side. Done na si Layla photo shoot. Good job, Layla. Good job, good job, good job.
Very professional.
Yeah, no? He knows how to handle the baby. Layla. Play here, huh?
Layla. Bear. Silly. What? Why? Why?
She's laughing and she's happy, even she's sleepless.
No sleep? No sleep. Why? 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 Why no sleep? Why?
Hi guys, dito na kami sa bahay. Kararating lang namin. So, nandito na sila. Patulugin ko na siya guys kasi hindi siya natulog. So, yun. Patulugin ko na siya. And dito ko na lang guys tapusin yung aking vlog din. So, thank you guys for watching guys. Mabuti hindi siya umiyak. Hindi siya umiyak ngayon. Kanina habang nag-photoshoot pa na siya tawa. Okay na. Bye na, Layla. So, thank you guys for watching. See you guys on another vlog. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.